Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And this is the last video about this TRX6 high trail build. At this point, I am done with this build. For the size of this truck, I was very happy how it performed during the stress test. You gotta remember, it's 19 inches long, the wheelbase is 19 inches, and the width is 9 inches. So it's really more of a bus or a limo than a 10 scale rock crawler. I had a chance to take it out and give it a really good stress run. Stress run meaning I put it on a very difficult terrain just to see how it performs, how it holds up, and how it drives. And the results were good. Good clearance, good maneuverability, and it was rather balanced as well. So let me just cut straight to the running footage. Enjoy! Lifting this particular truck was a good idea. Making the rear wheels turn was also a good idea. It was very maneuverable and it cleared almost any rock that I came across in this video. So if you like this build, give me a like or leave your feedback in comments. Take care.